Good morning guys. Today is my vlog. Welcome to largest vlog. This is another day. Today we prepare our lasagna. This is my ingredients: wet milk, lasagna, tomato sauce, cream, ibapo, kasalaska, tomato paste, mozzarella, white pepper, onions, garlic, and pork. Okay, this is our pasta. This is the pasta. We cook first the pasta for 4 minutes, then we remove and soak in the water so that it will come cold. Then after that we cook the pork, the garlic.
So see you later.
See you later guys as we prepare for our lasagna. Thank you.